Have you ever wondered why a bottle of thick, golden oil from a humble bean plant has quietly become one of the most talked about natural remedies among people over 60? Castor oil. For centuries, it's been used in traditional medicine across India, Egypt, China, and the Caribbean. But today, it's trending on social media, showing up in wellness routines, and being whispered about in senior fitness groups. So, what really happens when someone over 60 starts using castor oil daily for just 1 week? Let's walk through it, day by day, benefit by benefit, and with real science and real stories. No hype, just facts. First, a quick truth. Castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid that makes up nearly 90% of the oil. This compound is what gives castor oil its unique anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and moisturizing superpowers. It's not magic, but it feels like it sometimes. Now, imagine you're 62. Your knees creak when you stand. Your skin feels like paper. Digestion? Let's just say it's not what it used to be. You've heard about castor oil packs, liver detox, hair growth, but you're skeptical. Faye. So you decide to try it for 1 week. Here's what happens. Day 1. The first drop. You start simple. 1 teaspoon of organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil in the morning. Mix into warm water or herbal tea. It's thick, slightly nutty, a little hard to swallow. But within 2 hours, something subtle shifts. Your intestines wake up. Ricinoleic acid binds the receptors on the smooth muscle of your gut, triggering gentle peristalsis, that wave-like motion that moves food along. You're not running to the bathroom, but you feel movement. No cramping, no urgency, just relief. That night, you try your first castor oil pack. You warm 2 tablespoons of oil, soak a flannel cloth, place it over your liver, just under your right rib cage, cover with plastic wrap, and rest a hot water bottle on top for 45 minutes. You fall asleep. Nothing dramatic, but you wake up on day 2 feeling lighter. Day 2, the joints speak. You had arthritis in your hand for 8 years. Mornings are the worst. But today, when you grip your coffee mug, the stiffness is less. Not gone, just less. Here's why. Ricinoleic acid is a potent anti-inflammatory. Studies show it inhibits prostaglandin E2, a compound that fuels joint pain and swelling. When you apply castor oil topically or absorb it through a pack, it penetrates deep into tissues. By day 2, microcirculation improves. Lymphatic drainage kicks in. Old inflammatory waste starts to clear. You rub a dime-sized drop into each knee before bed. Warmth spreads. You sleep deeper. Day 3. Skin that remembers. You look in the mirror. The dry patches on your elbows, softer. The crepey skin under your eyes, a little plumper. Castor oil is a humectant. It pulls moisture into the skin, but it's also an occlusive. It locks that moisture in. Plus, its fatty acids support collagen synthesis. You start using it as a night serum. 3 drops on your face, gently pressed in. No breakouts. No greasiness by morning. Just glow. Day 4. The liver wake-up call. You've heard the buzz about liver detox with castor oil packs. Is it real? Yes and no. Your liver doesn't detox in the trendy juice cleanse way, but it does process toxins 24/7. And when it's sluggish, from years of medications, processed foods, or alcohol,
या डॉक्टर
waste
टेलिंग इस
builds
चैनल
up.
पर आपको हेल्थ के
Castor
रिलेटेड
oil
डेली
packs
न्यू
increase
वीडियोस
blood
मिलेंगे
flow
जिसमें
to
आपको
the
बहुत
liver
ज्यादा
and
इंफॉर्मेशन
gallbladder.
मिलाने वाली है.
They stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode. They enhance lymphatic circulation around the gut. By day 4, you notice less bloating after meals. Stools are softer, more regular. A subtle boost in energy by mid-morning. You're not imagining it. A 2011 study in complementary therapies in clinical practice found that castor oil packs reduce constipation in elderly patients within 3 to 5 days. Day 5, hair and scalp revival. You've been losing hair since menopause. Your part is wider. Your ponytail, thinner. You try a weekly castor oil hair mask. Warm oil. Massage into scalp. Leave for 1 hour.
ऐसे ऐसे फ्रूट और वैसी ऐसी भेजा है जिसे खाने से आपके जोड़ों के दांत, सर, केदर और दिल में कभी दर्द नहीं होगा.
Nearly gone. Why? Castor oil is antifungal and antibacterial. It fights malassezia, the yeast linked to dandruff. It nourishes hair follicles with vitamin E, omega-6, and proteins. You won't see new growth in a week, but your existing hair feels thicker, shinier, and you're hopeful. Day 6, the sleep upgrade. You've taken melatonin, tried magnesium, still wake at 3 a.m. But this week, something's different. You fall asleep faster. You wake less. Castor oil packs over the liver calm the vagus nerve. They lower cortisol. They signal safety to your body. One 2018 pilot study showed elderly women using nightly castor oil packs reported 37% better sleep quality after 1 week. You're one of them. Day 7, the mirror moment. 7 days. 7 small changes. None are miracles. But together, you stand taller. Your eyes are brighter. Your skin drinks water again. Your gut moves like it did in your 40s. Your knees don't scream when you garden. And for the first time in years, you feel in control of your aging. So, what really happened in 1 week? Let's break it down. 1. Gut health. Daily oral use. 1 teaspoon. Plus packs equals regular, comfortable bowel movements. No laxative dependence. 2. Joint pain. Topical plus systemic anti-inflammatory effects.
इसके अलावा और भी बहुत से फ्रूट हैं जिसमें विटामिन बी, सी और एम है.
Stiffness, based on user reports and small studies. 3. Skin hydration. Face, elbows, knees equals visibly softer, less crepey skin. 4. Liver and limb support. Improve circulation. Reduce bloating. Subtle energy lift. 5. Hair and scalp. Less dandruff. Stronger strands. Healthier follicle environment. 6. Sleep and stress. Deeper rest. Lower nighttime cortisol. But wait, are there risks after 60? Yes. Be smart. Oral use. 1 teaspoon max daily. More can cause diarrhea. Allergies. Patch test first. Rare, but possible. Medications. Castor oil may enhance absorption of some drugs. Ask your doctor if you're on blood thinners or chemo. Quality. Only USDA organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free, in glass bottles. Real story from real people over 60. I'm 68. My knees were bone on bone. After 5 days of castor oil rubs and packs, I walked the dog without my cane. First time in 3 years. Margaret, Ohio. I used it on my face. At 74, people think I'm 60. It's not Botox, it's castor oil. Ronald, Florida. Constipation ruled my life. 1 week of castor oil and tea, I'm free. Linda, Ontario. Your 7-day castor oil protocol, safe for 60 plus. Morning. 1 teaspoon castor oil in warm water or tea, optional. Evening. Castor oil pack over liver, 45 to 60 minutes, 4 to 7 nights. Rub 3 to 5 drops into joints or dry skin. Weekly. Scalp massage plus hair mask. Pro tip, warm the oil slightly. It absorbs better. The bottom line, 1 week of castor oil won't reverse 60 years of wear and tear, but it will give your body a gentle, natural reset. It reduces inflammation. It supports detox pathways. It nourishes from the inside out. And for thousands of people over 60, that's enough to feel like themselves again. So if you've got a bottle gathering dust in the cupboard, open it. Try it. 1 week. Your body has been waiting.